A growing trend for organizations with an internal IT department is to augment this team with a managed service provider. This is considered a co-managed IT environment. So, why are executives choosing to outsource part of their IT management? Similar to how companies are opting for cloud services that help you scale up and down resources as needed, a co-managed environment provides the same benefit. You have your internal IT team that you love, but you eliminate the need to continuously recruit question mark talent as you grow. Another key benefit is continuity. Your IT person or team needs to be able to take time off without fielding calls, and you cannot go a day without having your IT systems being monitored and help desk tickets being completed. This provides strain on your IT team, leading to burnout, as well as a user base that is less productive because they need help that they're not getting. The truth is, most employees are not going to stay at an organization for more than 5 years. What happens when the employee that holds the keys to the kingdom leaves? You will be left scrambling to find a replacement so that key employee can train them and hand over the keys to the kingdom. With a reputable IT partner, you can take your time finding the right fit. This peace of mind is why so many executives are turning to our company to support their IT team and company. If you would like to learn more about a co-managed IT environment, please reach out and we'll go over the outsourced roles that would work best based on your organization.